Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika, the channel where we talk a lot about making money online as a creative person, as an artist. In today's video, we will going to talk about one secret website where you can make money as an artist, as a creative person. Now, this secret website has actually been mentioned by one of my viewer on my YouTube channel. Like, that person commented on one of my videos and let them know about that website. And I was completely new to that website, so I did a research to find out what it looks like. So after doing my research, and here I am, I'm going to be sharing that website with you and how you can make money on that website. So without further ado, let's get started with that. Before we go past, consider clicking the like button, guys. I do really appreciate that. If you want more such videos in the future, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon. Whenever I'm gonna upload new videos, you're gonna get notified about it. Also, we have a lot of free resources to help you make more money. The link is in description box below. You can support me and my channel on the Patreon. The link is in description box below. You're gonna get early access to my YouTube videos, the word list, niche ideas, magazine, and a lot more is there on the Patreon. The link is in description box below. Without further ado, let's talk about what is this one secret website look like and how you can make money as a creative person. So without further ado, I'm going to be talking about that website quickly. But before that, I want to give a credit to the person that commented my video and supporting my channel. Thank you so much for this particular content video idea. This website, this is the Teachers Pay Teachers. You might have heard about this website or may not be. Again, it wasn't new for me when I came across this particular website, and I was like, Teachers Pay Teachers, maybe for the teachers. What am I doing here as a creative person, as an artist? How I'm gonna make money on this particular platform? Well, I'm gonna talk about this thing. So let's talk about the Teachers Pay Teachers, what this website is all about. Basically, this website is mainly focusing on providing the content for the teachers so that they can help their students with the lessons, with the teachings. And yeah, so if you are a teacher and in a school or maybe a homeschooling, whatever kind of teacher you are, and you want the lessons or homework or different kinds of the content for your students, for your classes, then probably the Teachers Pay Teachers is a website for you. It's more famous for the digital downloads, tons of resources, easy to use digital tools, one school funded subscription. Assign lessons and assist students with interactive content, new from your favorite teachers, authors. You can see what are the news popping on the platform. You're going to tap into the power of the teacher expertise. 7 million plus teachers worldwide, 85% of educators in the United States, 5 million plus teachers created lessons, 1 billion plus resources downloaded. That's there on their, these stats are there on their website on the very first homepage. So it's an online marketplace where teachers buy and sell original educational materials. And now you would be thinking, I am not a teacher. I don't know how to create these lessons or create these digital downloads for the teachers, but I'm gonna tell you how you can sell your work as a creative person. Give me a second. First, we were going to talk about this particular website a little bit more depth about who they are, when they all get started. Unlocking the power of the world's educators, Teachers Pay Teachers is a go-to-go platform created by the teachers for the teachers to access the community content and tools they need to teach at their best. Founded in 2006, so it's quite old, 2006. TPT provides a marketplace for teachers to exchange educational, instructional materials and access easy-to-use digital tools. So I've already talked about the stats that are there on the website, like 7 million teachers used TPT in the last year, so that's really a great thing. 5 million resources they have, and 1 billion resources have been downloaded from TPT. So that's a great insight and stats they are having. The vision is to unlock the collective wisdom of the teachers. They're mainly focusing on the teachers' community, transforming education classroom by classroom. Been really popular from 2006 till around this particular year. So probably they have a lot many people, a lot many teachers coming on their website to download these digital downloads. So that means the money is flowing on their platform. So TPT offers a broad range of resources for every aspect of prep K to 12 education. You can sell on this website. First of all, guys, there is no rule of thumb, like you don't need to be a teacher to sell on this platform. I myself not a teacher, okay? You know me very well. I'm not a teacher, and I recently signed on to this platform and uploaded my first product. So I'm not a teacher, and you don't need to be a teacher or a teacher degree to sell on this particular platform. You can very well go on this platform, enter your email address, your password, sign on this particular platform, and they're gonna ask you a bunch of the questions related to that, like have you ever had any experience with the teaching, any kind of a degree or any kind of knowledge. If you don't have any of these don't fill out these particular stuffs, just skip that particular portion and directly go over to the option where to sell the products. Now you have to connect your wallet to this particular platform to receive the money from that. So let's talk about the payout, and what I want to talk about is the payout. Now I'm not 100% sure do they still use the PayPal payout or not, but earlier they were having the PayPal payout. Now when I actually sign on this platform, like back only, then they were asking me to connect Hyper Wallet and to have a Hyper Wallet account. Now, I wasn't really aware of what exactly the Hyper Wallet account is. So when you sign on this platform, go over to your dashboard. You are getting an option over to connect your Hyper Wallet account with the TPT to receive the money for the products that you're selling on their platform. So you need to have an Hyper Wallet account. You just need to click on that. There is a key that will going to appear. You need to paste that key on your account, and you need to open up your Hyper Wallet account, and then you need to mention over here your tax information, whether you are based in the United States or outside of the States. So you need to mention your tax account, okay, payout from the Hyper Wallet. Like I think based on in the United States, I'm talking about the United States. If you're based in different countries, you might receive different options. But in the United States, they are having the 3 different options: the Venmo, the PayPal, and I think one is the direct bank transfer directly into your bank account. And if you're mentioning other country belonging to some other country, then probably you'll be getting a different payout option. So Hyper Wallet is kind of like a wallet where you will gonna receive your money, and then you need to mention either your then you need to connect either your PayPal account, your Venmo account, or your bank details so that you can receive the money that Teachers Pay Teachers website is sending to your Hyper Wallet account, and then Hyper Wallet is sending that money to your linked payout sources. I hope it makes sense, because it was confusing for me when I was looking into the Hyper Wallet, because this is the first time me coming across this particular wallet and I wasn't really sure what to connect. So I connect my PayPal with that, and now when someone is purchasing my product on the Teachers Pay Teachers will going to send my money to the Hyper Wallet, and then Hyper Wallet will going to send my money to the PayPal, and then PayPal will directly going to send that money into my bank account. Either way, you can go with the Venmo or you can go with the wire transfer, like a direct bank transfer as well, and mentioning your bank details in the Hyper Wallet account. In some other country, then you would be having the different payout method, but I think that it is globally available. You can sell on this website from anywhere on this planet Earth, unlike some of the exceptional countries. I think it was the Syria was the exceptional countries. The North Korea and some of the different countries were also there in the exception list. You make sure you check it out on this website. After signing on this platform, go over to the payout section and connect your Hyper Wallet account. Go over to the Teachers Pay Teachers and upload your first product. So this is about the payout. It is a little bit complicated, so that's why I'm mentioning it in detail. Since I'm guessing that probably you're not a teacher like me, I'm not a teacher, then what you're gonna be selling over here? You're gonna be selling the digital downloads, like the graphics, the cool background, the textures, the patterns, the clip art, all the digital artwork that you're making. That means the designs that you're making, whether it's you are making for print on demand, whether you're making for Creative Fabrica, whether you are making those designs for your KDP book covers, whatever it is, the designs that you're making, the artwork that you're making, you can sell those work over here as a digital download. You don't need to get an approval on this website. Okay, now they have the 2 plans. They have the free plan and the premium plan. Now I started with the free plan. For the premium plan, you're getting more resources, more facilities, but I think that if you are a beginner and selling on the platform and you're not making that much of money, then probably going with the free plan is the best option. And then later on, if you want the premium plan, then very well you can go with the premium plan and pay option and all that stuff. Someone is purchasing your product, you're gonna get 55% of the profit, and rest will Teachers Pay Teachers website will going to take. And one thing I also want to tell you, when you are getting the money from your Teachers Pay Teachers to your Hyper Wallet account, and then Hyper Wallet account to your one of the payment method, whether it's a wire transfer, PayPal, Venmo, whatever it is, whatever route you're choosing, depending on that, they're gonna take a transfer cut. Depending on that, they're gonna take currency exchange fees or transaction fees, whatever you call it. So please keep that thing in mind. For the wire transfer, it's different. For the Venmo, it's different. For the PayPal, it's different. For every other payout method, it's different. So make sure you read that stuff before connecting your payout method in the hyper wallet account to receive the money from the teachers pay teachers. You're getting 4 product option. When you go over to the option of product uploading, you're getting one digital download. You can go sign up for the premium and you can upload the video content as well. Select a file from your Google Drive, and then you have the bundles as well, which you can bundle up the different products that you're having in your shop, and then you can start selling. So this is the general overview of what this website look like. You don't need to be a teacher, you don't need to have a degree, and you don't need to get an approval. Of course, they have the free and the premium plan, but you can get started with the free plan, start selling on this platform without paying anything, without getting any approval, and you can receive the payout by hyper wallet account, either via the PayPal, Venmo, or via transfer, depending on where you live, whatever country you're living. The payout method may vary. And you can sell your graphics, your digital downloads. You need to pack all your digital downloads into one zip file and upload that zip file. Then have the product review images. Then write your product description, product title, the cost of the product, like how much price you're setting for your product. Then you need to mention whether it's related to very specific class or it's just for the art class or art stuff as well, selecting the categories, and that's all. It's very simple to start selling on the teachers pay teachers. I started few days back only, and I've uploaded few of the products. I didn't make any money so far, but I'll gonna keep you updated in the future if I made any sort of money from this particular website. And the money is that you're gonna get a single sales, like if someone purchase your product, you're gonna get money for that. I think the commission is set to 55 or 45%. Again, I could be wrong. Let me know if I'm wrong in the comment section below. Hopefully you find this video useful. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Have you ever given it a shot about teachers pay teachers website? If you have a one, if you have any kind of experience selling on this website, let me know in the comment section below, because I am completely new to this particular platform and I'm still doing my own research to find more about this platform. But I see that as an artist, as a creative person, you can sell your creative work in the form of a digital download on this website, and that's a great way, another great way to make more passive income. Hopefully you find this video useful and enjoyable and more relatable. And if you're someone who didn't get an approval on Creative Fabric and looking forward to sell your digital downloads or design or graphics, then this is the website you can really check on. I'm gonna leave the link of this website in the description box below. Make sure you check it out and read all the terms and conditions before signing onto this platform. If you have any further doubt about this particular website, make sure you mention me in the comment section below. I'll try to reply to them if I can. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video. I'll gonna see you in the next video with amazing new video idea. Till then, take care. Bye guys.